Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Dino ASMR. Today I'm going to be doing some late night study session calculus. It is currently 3:23 a.m. and I have a quiz tomorrow. I had a ton of homework, so without further ado, come along and study with me. Okay, so for this first one, it is the integral. Maybe. It is the integral of secant 3 cubed, I guess, y tangent to the 5th power of y dy. Now, we have to integrate this maybe by parts, maybe by trig identities. Let's see. By parts. Trig identities. And let's look at our options. So we know that secant squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta plus 1. I had to check myself on that. So if we have secant squared, then we can make this secant of y times tangent squared y plus 1 times tangent to the 5th y dy. Okay, so I think I'm wrong, so I'm gonna erase this and we're gonna try a different method with using u substitution. And we're gonna do integral and we're gonna separate them in between each other. So secant squared tangent 4, and then it's gonna be secant tangent. I suppose I should have added the y's, but yeah. So if we get du equals secant y tangent y dy, then u equals secant y. So we can make u here and derive these two, I think. Either way, we know that our secant squared tangent to the 4th can be integral of secant squared y times tangent squared y squared times secant y tangent y. I'm not that tall, so ignore that. dy. And then using this identity right here, we can switch around the 1 and that'd be secant squared theta minus 1 is equal to the tangent squared. So we can do secant squared y times secant, I always forget the c, secant squared y minus 1 squared times secant y now we can use our u is du. So our u is secant. So we can do which part? Yeah, we can do u equals secant y du equals secant y tangent y dy, because when we derive secant, we get secant tangent. Okay, I'm gonna erase this over here so we have more space. Alrighty, then we have our integral. We just need to plug in our u and du. So this goes to integral of u squared times u squared minus 1 squared times, and this is du, so this all just becomes du. Okay, so now we can take the integral. So doing this, that becomes u squared becomes 1/3 u to 3 to the third. And I'm gonna distribute this. I suck at distributing, so this becomes right here, this becomes u to the 4th minus 2u squared plus 1. So integrating that is going to be plus 1/5 u to the 5th minus 2/3 u to the 3rd, and then plus u, because the 1 adds a power. Okay, and we don't have bounds, so it's indefinite, so we need to add a plus c, but usually I do that on the end. Okay, now we can plug in our u for secant, or our secant for u. So this equals 1/3 secant third y plus 1/5 secant 5th y minus 2/3 secant third y plus secant y plus c. I'm gonna check that because that's a long integral. Okay, so one mistake I made is that the u squared multiplies by this once it's FOILed out, so this is not correct. And we'll have to expand. Someone just slammed a door. We'll have to expand this u squared out before we actually integrate. So u squared times that's gonna be what, u to the 6th? Yes, u to the 6th minus 2u to the 4th plus u squared du, and then we can integrate that. That's gonna be 1/7 u to the 7th minus 2/5 u to the 5th plus 1/3 u to the 3rd. Alright, and then our plus c. Then if we make this back to secant, like we were doing before, then it'd be 1/7 secant 7th y minus 2/5 secant 5th y plus 1/3 secant 3rd y plus c. And that is our final answer. The sad thing is, on the quiz, I don't get to check my work. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a relaxing time studying calculus with me. I know that ASMR makes it a bit better for me on my end. Hopefully, if you're also doing some unpleasant work, that my ASMR will make it better. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.